Every year, trailers announce familiar titles, sharper pixels, new voice lines, or full rebuilds that look like memory upgraded. Players joke about buying the same game twice. Publishers call it celebrating legacy. The business truth sits between sentiment and spreadsheets. Known names reduce marketing risk in an expensive industry. Common assumption: remasters are lazy cash grabs. Bump resolution, ship trailer, collect pre-orders. Some are. But teams also face rotting source files, expired music licenses, and engines that no longer compile. A re-release can be archaeology plus engineering, not just a filter slider. Acquiring a new player costs ads, influencers, and trust. A remaster arrives with built-in awareness. Parents who played, clips already on social video, memes in place. The title does half the marketing before the first preview drops. Language matters. A remaster usually keeps design intact. New rendering, quality of life patches, maybe DLC bundled. A remake rebuilds systems, new combat, new levels, new voice production, while selling the same story promise. Players expect different price tags and different betrayal thresholds. Old games stored art in formats modern tools barely read. Teams hunt backup tapes, reverse engineer shaders, or repaint textures by hand. Audio gets remixed from stems if they survived, otherwise musicians re-record. The work is invisible when done right. Some remasters wrap old logic in a modern engine, better lighting, platform ports, online fixes. Remakes may discard original code entirely, keeping only design documents and fan memory. The choice depends on what still runs and what lawyers still license. Modern players expect autosave, remappable controls, widescreen, and accessibility options retro titles never dreamed of. Remasters must translate old friction without erasing what made the game feel authentic. Too much polish, and fans say you sanitized history. Bundles pack remasters for anniversaries, trilogy boxes, cross-gen upgrades, day one subscription drops. Platforms use classics to sweeten memberships. A 20-year-old hit becomes content filler with prestige, keeping subscribers from canceling between blockbuster quarters. Here is the twist. Remasters sell memory, but memory is subjective. You are chasing the feeling of being 12, not the pixels you actually saw. Studios market sharper shadows. Players buy the hope that time travel is downloadable. Fan projects, engine recreations, texture packs, demakes prove demand before official announcements. Some get hired, most get cease letters. The line between tribute and competition is why publishers either embrace mod communities or lawyer up fast. Recap: remasters ride built-in recognition to cut marketing risk. Remasters polish assets and engines. Remakes rebuild systems. Lost files and licenses make re-releases real work. Modern QL must balance authenticity. Bundles and subscriptions recycle classics for steady revenue. You are often buying a feeling packaged like a product patch. Thanks for watching Game Sketch. Subscribe for more short histories of why games work the way they do, mechanics, accidents, and the business hiding behind the fun.